Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition passenger side sun visor that fits a variety of Nissan and Infiniti models, including the 2013 to 2019 Nissan Pathfinder, Infiniti QX60, the JX35, and a few other vehicles. So this is the actual passenger side sun visor assembly. This includes a mirror here with the lighting here, and includes the slide out extender there. So the installation of this part is pretty straightforward. This part right here actually, let me see if I can rotate this. So this part actually here has a little cover on it that you'll pop off up by the headliner on the roof of the vehicle. And there's two screws that are going to secure this. And once those two screws are removed, you can see this clip here. This kind of rotates like that, and then you can pull it out of the roof. From there, the factory sun visor has this electrical connector here that you'll press in and unclip. And then the new sun visor installs in the reverse order. You'll want to install and clip in the electrical connector here. You'll want to put this side in to the headliner by the roof first. You'll want to get that in place and then rotate it down and reinstall the screws. Like any of the parts we sell, if you have any questions about the installation of the part, if this is the right part for your vehicle or anything else, please feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.